Generative design parts like this can't go straight off the printer and into a design. Many times they need finished machining on interfacing faces. In order to accomplish this, I've been having to add materials to these soon-to-be machined faces, and the easiest way I know of doing this is an offset face from my press pull command. When I do this, I've often been perplexed where these initial values came from. Most people can figure out that that's the existing dimension, but if I type in 3mm here to offset by that amount, I'm going to have a bad time. Turns out there's an easy way to alter this input to do what I want. Just hop over to the type and change it from automatic to new offset. This will allow me to drive this in the way I intended. Remember that once you type in 3 here, you'll need to hold Control or Command to add more faces to this offset. When you use this option, it also adds a new feature in the history, which makes changing that value easy if you make a mistake, like I did. Instead of 3, I probably only need a millimeter offset here. But there are definitely times when you want to avoid using the new offset type. In this example, when I go to pull this face out, it not only makes this asymmetrical, but it also continues to fill it in a way I'd rather not. Instead, let's use Modify Existing Feature. One thing to note about this option is that you cannot select just any face, only those with driving dimensions. When you select a face, it will cross-highlight in the history just what feature you're about to change. I'll type in a new value here, click OK, and it updates in the way I had it intended originally. To verify the change made, I can edit the feature and inspect the new settings. As you can see, this was made with a symmetric extrude, which helps explain why pulling one face actually worked on both. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.